In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Meet on a laptop. Whether you're planning a virtual meetup, a work meeting, or even an online event, Google Meet can be your go-to tool. We'll walk through each step to get you started, from opening your browser to sharing the meeting invitation with others. Let's begin by navigating to the Google Meet website. Open your preferred web browser. You could use Chrome, Firefox, or another browser that suits your preference. Simply type Google Meet into your search bar and make sure to click on the official Meet website link. Once the website is loaded, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen and you'll notice the Sign In button. Clicking this will prompt you to log in with your Google account information. If you have multiple Google accounts, ensure you choose the one you'll use for your meetings. This is important because all your meeting schedules and information will be linked to this account. After signing in, the Google Meet interface will appear. Front and center, you should see the option labeled New Meeting. Click on this button to start setting up your virtual gathering. You'll be presented with a few choices, but for the purpose of an immediate meeting, select Start an Instant Meeting. This option is perfect when you want to jump right into a session without any prior scheduling. Once your meeting has started, you'll see a link or code on the screen. This is the virtual doorway for your attendees. Make sure to copy this link or code, as it will be the key for others to join your meeting. You can share it via email, chat apps, or any platform you regularly use for communication. Another great feature Google Meet provides is the ability to invite participants directly. Look for the Add Others option. Click on it, and you'll be able to send out invites directly from your browser. You can simply add the email addresses of those you want to invite, and they will receive a direct link to join the meeting. And before you get started, here's a helpful tip. Check your audio and microphone settings. Ensure everything is working properly so you won't have any technical interruptions during your meeting. This can save you a lot of time and hassle once the meeting is underway. Remember, a good meeting experience often relies on clear communication. With these simple steps, you're now ready to host or join meetings using Google Meet on your laptop. It's a powerful platform offering flexibility and reliability, and now you're equipped with the confidence to use it effectively. Thank you for tuning in, and happy meetings.